Well, in this part, we want to talk to you about the different sections of this plugin settings. You see, in the settings of this plugin, there are various sections that we need to discuss a bit more in detail. Here, as you can see, are our documents, and from here you can follow us on Instagram if you'd like. And if you encounter any issues or have a plugin request, you can contact us from here. You can view the other plugins here, as well as the plugin version. And as you can see, from here you can also access sections like creating an event or the plugin settings. Well, for now we don't need to do anything with this page. Let's go to the settings section, into the settings. Here for you, as you know, there is one. We've meticulously set up a comprehensive panel here where we've conveniently placed the essential shortcodes for your easy access, along with direct, automatically generated links that are created for you immediately after you successfully create or activate this powerful plugin. These dedicated pages are automatically and seamlessly generated for you and have been thoughtfully added to your existing pages within WordPress. All right, in the very first and primary section, we have the crucial temporary reservation section. What exactly does this particular section do? This specific section truly comes into play and becomes active when a valued customer carefully selects an available seat and then proceeds to accurately add it to their shopping cart. So here the seat has been added to their cart, and what happens now is that, as you may have noticed, it turns yellow and can no longer be clicked. This has a time limit. This time limit is set here. It's better to set this time limit to 5 minutes. And if you set it to even less, that's even better. For example, set it to 3 minutes so that if there are busy events and a customer selects a seat and adds it to their cart, at least after 3 minutes it becomes inactive, allowing other customers to purchase it if they don't complete their purchase within 3 minutes. This is useful when you have a busy event or website and you want the temporary reservation status to quickly become inactive. This way, other customers can purchase the seat that was temporarily reserved. That's it for this section. The next section is PayPal fee. Here, you can precisely set a specific percentage for those who wish to purchase via PayPal, which is typically around 10%. If you set this particular percentage here, in addition to the base prices you've defined for each individual event and the standard prices of the tickets themselves, an extra 10% will be automatically added as the PayPal processing fee for those specific events. This is also a very important point that we've included for you in this plugin. If your payments are made through PayPal, you can easily add the PayPal percentage so that you don't incur any losses. This section is the message part that gets sent along with the ticket email. You see, every ticket that is sent has a text here. A text along with the ticket attachments, the tickets themselves. You can change this text here, and you can use these short codes we've provided for you here in the text to make your message dynamic. For example, here it says that you have 3 tickets. This number 3 comes from this short code, so whatever the number of tickets is, you can show it to your customer. The next section is delete data. By carefully checking this particular option, if you choose to deactivate or permanently delete this specific plugin, all of the associated data and information connected with this plugin will be completely and irrevocably removed as well. It's better to leave this option unchecked, because sometimes if you deactivate or delete the plugin, the tickets you've created, the events you've set up, and all the data won't be deleted. Here, we have also included the reCAPTCHA section for your convenience and security. If you have successfully set up reCAPTCHA on Google, specifically the most recent version 3, you can confidently enter your unique site key and your confidential secret key here, which will effectively protect the plugin from any malicious bots that might attempt to interfere with its proper functioning. This way, bots won't be able to come in and disrupt your work. And that's it for this section. Another very important section is the ticket template. Here, you can set a logo for any event you want. The logo will appear here, and you can change your logo as needed. Here, you can change the footer text. The footer texts are right here. You can keep them active or remove them. they will no longer be displayed here. And another very important point about this section is that if you check this box, emails will be sent to your customers in Persian. We have two languages in this plugin. One is Persian and the other is English. You just need to check this box. If you want the tickets to be sent to your customers in Persian, you need to check this box so they are generated in Persian. If you prefer to send them in English, you can leave this box unchecked or uncheck it if you have already checked it and finally click on Save. The final and last section is the comprehensive event and email log section, where you are able to thoroughly review every single email that has been sent to your valued customer here. Or alternatively, you can easily resend the email if you so wish to do so. And if, for example, you're wondering which order this email is for and what needs to be done, just click on this link here to go to the orders for that event and go to that ticket. These were the important sections in this plugin that we needed to explain to you. Another section that this plugin has, as you know, is all the events. These are pretty self-explanatory. You can create a new event here. Here you can set categories for your emails and events. You can add tags, and your venues are specified here as well. The venues you have and your organizers, each of these will be discussed in more detail for you in separate videos.